Well, one of the worst case scenarios happened yesterday. One, we lost in the first round. Two, SD card full. Didn't really close out the vlog, but here we are. It's day 3 here in Maine. Mikey, Sandy, and I are now walking to the mall. It's like a mile away. So it is a very nice day, but there are no sidewalks. So we're kind of just finding our way there. But anyways, we got some social media things to do at 2 o'clock. It's currently about noon. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna hang out at the ball all day. The Carter Division bowls today, so we'll get some shots of them. Hopefully Chris bowls well. If not, the boys are gonna play golf while I'm bowling whatever's tomorrow. Oh my God, here we go. Yeah, and then the show tonight. So, should be an exciting day. We're back at the bowl. Looks like they're in game 5. We're here for the media shoot, and then, yo boys, what are we doing after this? Oh yeah. Wait, I want to go do those balls. What are we doing here?
We are doing social media shoots for the bowlers and managers from the PBA League. We're trying to grow bowlers as athletes more, trying to get them NBA and NFL size, so getting them out there.
Wow, that would be cool.
That'd be cool, huh?
Yeah, I like money.
I like money too.
Did you give the most diplomatic answers possible?
I don't know if diplomatic is the word.
Dude, I'm calling you out right now because I think the last match we bowled was rigged because it was at South Point and Jerome Center.
Yeah, all right.
And my brother wasn't there, and he's left-handed, and your brother wasn't there.
And he's not left-handed.
And he's not left-handed. I think we need a doubles match. I'm calling you guys out right now. Team Bohn versus Team Tang. Let me know in the comments. We got to make it happen.
I feel like that does have to happen. He's 100% right. It does have to happen.
The last match it wasn't fair. It was at South Point.
There's got to be stipulations though, like you know how pro video gamers they like ban a player or a character they can't use. Yeah, we shouldn't be like ban urethane or ban something. I don't know.
Well, like that hurts you guys too.
Does it?
I think so.
Does it?
I've heard the term urethane quite a bit.
That is true, but I don't think it hurts us. Anyways, yeah, let us know in the comments below if you want to see something like this. We could
Team Bohn versus Team Tang.
We could head out to their training center. Yeah, just plug that training center.
Bohn's Elite Training in Howell, New Jersey. It is the best training center that I've ever been to. It's an absolute blast to be a part of. Howell, New Jersey. Check it out. RevRates.vip. I mean, it's one of the best places if you want to get better at bowling. So come check it out.
Nice. So normally at the end of the event, we get our jersey signed by everybody on the team, either just to have or to give away. I'm going to be giving mine away at our annual tournament at Sea Bowl in Pacifica. It's in California. Our bowling center is closing, so if you guys want to come by, it's a junior tournament. You can win this jersey. We're going to auction it off, and then yeah, we'll see you there. Hi, Nicholas.
Hi.
How'd it go?
Not very good for me. I had air. Team manager told us that he built the roster around the TV pair, not for game 5 and 6.
Perfect.
On the hooking end.
Well, all right.
And I was about as sharp as a carrot today, so. Oof.
They can get pretty sharp sometimes. I've heard stories.
Yeah.
That we won't discuss on the vlog. Yeah. You drew a ball? I drew a ball? Let's do it. I'm gonna do one of these because there's no more black ones. Is this Idle Cosmos gonna bring us to the promised land? Are we gonna win this strike derby? Are we gonna win this clash thing? I don't know. But better to have the option than not, right? So I'm gonna go find the boys and then figure out what we're gonna do now. All right, the hunt begins. Lobster hunt. I'm ready for this. All right, we finally found one. Where we at, Mikey?
Yeah, Jays.
Yeah, Jays though. Jays oyster. Let's see what they got. I think I was here before. Mama Tang was out here for the league the first time I made it. I think we came here. I'm gonna give mine an 8 out of 10, but I feel like mostly because I just really wanted lobster and then I got it. So yeah, I want to go at least one more time and spend some more money because I'll spend money for food, man. All right. Satisfied with our care?
Yeah, alright.
It's alright. We gotta find more.
I don't know what I would have expected as far as the price to quality ratio. I'd put it at like a 6. As far as the ratio is concerned, 6.
I gave it an 8, but probably just because I really wanted lobster.
I meant like what we got for the price.
Ah, yeah. I feel like it was pretty
Mid.
The ratio was
I felt mid.
pretty similar. Like, it was only $38 for a whole lobster dinner, so I felt like that was pretty. Like I said, expectations weren't super high.
I think
so.
the oysters were a little steep.
A little steep. Yeah, I agree.
But
I was kind of surprised at how much your lobster rolls were.
It was called Jay's Oyster Bars. I mean, you couldn't knock it.
That's true. All right, well, we're heading back to the bowl and we'll let the Carter Division festivities begin. And the teams are warming up for the show. We're gonna go take a look at some shots and then cruise around. I might go throw my ball for a little bit too. Let's go check it out. We're here at Bopo, Bayside, and we have a non-subscriber here.
I'm a long-time viewer, first-time subscriber. Well, about to be. Love the content. We're just talking about, what's good for you, subscribers.
And then
All
you
right.
asked me what my goal was.
I was like, what's your goal? Like 100K for subscribers. I'm only one man, but I will do my part here tonight. I'm gonna subscribe to your channel, on your channel. Oh,
Bang!
that
Thank
felt
you.
good. That felt as good as I thought it
I
might.
appreciate that. Helps
Appreciate-
me out a lot. Helps me achieve my goal.
Appreciate the content. I'm
Yeah.
looking forward to
Yeah.
finally being a subscriber.
And now you're in the vlog.
I'm not freeloading anymore like I was before.
Well, solid man. Those are our goals. Hit the button and
It's easy.
go from there.
It's easier than it looks.
Super easy.
Easier than it looks, maybe.
We're back in the room. It's gonna be the Strikers and the Lumberjacks in the finals. We're leaving before the finals, but tomorrow we have the Strike Derby and then the Clash the day after, which are pre-recorded events, so the vlogs will end here and you will be seeing the rest of the vlogs after the pre-recorded, or after the recorded events, pre-recorded events air. I don't know, man. Well, Mikey and Sandy had a good time tonight. You'll see me tomorrow. You'll see them a little later after. Thanks for watching. Bye.